Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Hi. I'd like to order some flowers.
Who are they for?
They're for my wife. Her name is Samantha.
What kind of flowers would you like?
I don't know. I don't know too much about flowers. Can you recommend something?
What's the reason you are sending her flowers?
Today's her birthday and she told me she wants me to buy her flowers.
Do you know what kind of flowers she likes?
I'm not sure. I know I should know that, but I can't remember right now.
Well, they're for your wife, so I think you should give her roses.
Roses will be fine.
What color?
I think red would be nice.
Do you want to pick them up or should we deliver them?
Can you deliver them, please?
What's the address?
241 Main Street.
All right, they'll be there within 2 hours.